We blessed him, so don't go painting us as bad people.
Well, what do you know?
That's just about as low as anyone could possibly stoop. I can't believe you sometimes.
You're the bad guy!
Of course not. He's thanking us.
Can I trust her?
But it'll do.
Handhelds will become a normal, pocketable size again. We're now a couple months out from the launch of the Nintendo Switch 2, and my most major feeling about it is that it's gigantic. Now, don't get me wrong, this thing is performant, the screen is awesome, but if I play it for too long in handheld mode, it doesn't feel very good. A lot of that has to do with the fact that it's like totally flat. Like, I don't think they cared that much about the ergonomics of it outside of, you know, making sure that the shoulder buttons kind of have a little bit of a grip to the top of them. But I ended up buying, they don't like fix the problem. And the problem is that every handheld is this big now, no matter which one it is.